Okay, ready for the next step. Now I gotta put this on here, and actually I think before, let's see, yeah, before I do that, I'm gonna put my rubber tube on that, and I like to put a little water in there or some spit or something just to make this tube easier to put on here. And you know, I could have put that on first before I put this in the tank, right? But there it is. Okay. Now I've got to look at this and see. You see how this rod is here? Well, that's where the water is going to shoot down into the tank. But I want it down into that hole, so I have to kind of put this in such a fashion where it's not going to be in the way of my metal toilet handle, and so that it's going to shoot in there. See, I think if I put it over here, then the water's not shooting down this hole. I like to have it shooting down in the hole. Okay, and there, okay, like that. See? All right, just like that. And I could position this, I could position it over there, I could swivel it over here. You know, I could swivel it further off that way, however I want. You know, as long as it's not hitting that. I think that's fine there, don't you? I think that's good. Man, that's pretty close, but you know, that's just how it is. And now I'm going to kind of mimic this. I'm going to kind of hold it up about how I think, so that this pipe is long enough but short enough so it's not going to hit the top of the tank lid. Okay, and what I could do is I could cut it long if I wanted. Let's just cut it a little long. Okay, I think it should be about there, but I'm going to cut it a little long. I just have some electrical cutters for wire. Okay, and I'm going to kind of hold it down at an angle where I think it could go. Okay, am I out of the way far enough? I think I am. And see, I think that's fine. I don't think I'm going to cut it any shorter, but if you would have cut it shorter, it would fit. See, it'll fit all the way down to there. I could cut a lot more off. In fact, let's just cut off, just for the sake of argument, just a little more. I'm trying to do it without it going down in the toilet or pinching my fingers or anything. Now I've got to push that in there. And if it doesn't go, you can wet it, or we can take this off, right? We can take this off. We can take that off, and we can put that on and just walk it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, like that. I used to twist it, but I found walking it back and forth works just as well, if not easier. Okay, now, let's see where the thing is. Oh, there it is. You just have to kind of look at it and hold your mouth just right. Get it going in there. You see? Like that. And we'll kind of look at that. That looks fine. The water's going to shoot in there, okay? I think we're done with all that. Are we ready to turn the water on? Hope your answer is yes.